In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll in QuickBooks. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to record a payroll run in QuickBooks online by creating an expense that captures the payment and assigns it to the right account. Start by opening QuickBooks, and once you're in your company file, head to the left navigation and choose Expenses. This brings you to the Expenses workspace where you can add and review outgoing payments. We're going to create a new expense to represent your payroll for the period. Click the button on this page to add a new expense. On the form that opens, begin with the payee field. Select the person or entity you paid for this payroll run. In many cases, that will be the employee, a contractor, or if you're recording a consolidated payroll, the payroll service provider. If you don't see the payee in the list, make sure they're set up in your contacts before continuing. Next, choose the payment account. Select the account the money actually came from. If you paid in cash, choose cash. If it was a bank transfer, pick the correct bank account. Matching this to the real payment source keeps your balances accurate and makes reconciliation easier later. Move down to the category details section. Click into the category field and search for payroll expenses. Select payroll expenses from the list. This ensures the cost is tracked properly on your profit and loss and grouped with other payroll-related costs. If you use distinct subcategories for wages, taxes, or benefits, you can specify them, but at minimum, select payroll expenses so the entry lands in the right place. Enter the description or memo to note the pay period or any useful context, then type in the total amount you paid. Double check the date on the transaction to match the actual pay date. Accurate dating ensures your reports reflect payroll in the correct period. If you run similar payroll amounts regularly and want a quick duplicate to adjust next time, use the copy option. Clicking copy duplicates the current expense so you can reuse the structure without re-entering every detail. Update any amounts or notes as needed. When everything looks correct, payee, payment account, payroll expense category, memo, amount, and date. Finish by selecting Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the transaction and return you to the expenses list where you can confirm it appears as expected. That's it. You've recorded a payroll run in QuickBooks by creating a clean, categorized expense. This approach keeps your books tidy, ties the payment to the right account, and makes reporting straightforward for month end and tax time.